Today is exactly day 7 again. You can see patient have done a very good graft care. All the planted graft are in right place, right angle, right direction, and we're very happy with the graft care what the patient have done. How was the entire procedure from day 1 to day 7? Can you please tell us?
To be frank, I've been watching the posting on GLOJAS on Instagram and FB for the 1.5 years. And I always worried and overthink about the process, whether is it painful, how fast can I recover, and these kind of things has been delaying and overthink. So here I am, I finally did it, and my advice to you guys is do not overthink. If you really want a hair, just do it. You process, relax, painless, and very fast recovery.